Take number 5. Hey Bhagwan. So hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaurya and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan challenge question number 101 sort list. This is from topic divide and conquer. Fifth time saying this, sixth time I guess. Anyways, I'm doing the question. I have not done the question. So literally there is zero submissions. So let me just do submission in front of you. I hope so it's not gonna let me down. So okay, that's fine. So question is correct, but I don't know, time complexity is very bad. Very, very bad. Let me see somebody else code. So okay. This is very clever code because there's no nested function return, I guess. Okay, one no nested function return. And I have written actually three nested function. But by the way, my code is actually appropriate, like accurate. Sort list basically divides the list and sort two times. Then this divide function simply traverse the list one time and return the middle element. And then there is one more merge function which uses the property of merge. So actually this is divide and conquer, but okay, fine. Sometimes time complexity comes good, sometimes not good. So because I'm going to do few more questions, I'm just going to consider this bad time complexity for today. But you know what? I'll write this code one more time and we'll submit this in off screen. I will submit this code one more time. Anyways, so thank you for watching the videos and a few more questions left for 110 goal.